Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today's video, something a little different. I'm gonna remake one of my very first videos on this channel. It's actually one of my most viewed videos. It's from an older camera, the Nikon P900, and it's how to take photographs using the P900 of the moon, of the full moon, or well, of any moon really. And I did this video years ago, and it was terrible. It was out of focus. But I've left it up because it's one of my most viewed videos. The instructions are quite clear in the sound, but I figured, hey, because the full moon is coming up this Halloween, let's do a new video and let's show how to take pictures of the moon with your P900. So we'll jump into it. If you have questions about this, let me know down in the comments below. Happy to answer them. It's been a while since I've used this camera, but I've actually got some pictures up on my Instagram. I'll leave the link down below as well to my Instagram, and you can actually check out some of the pictures of the full moon from the P900. It's a great little, actually, bridge camera. Not so little, but it's got a great zoom on it. And one of the features is a setting to be able to take pictures of the moon. If you've ever tried to take pictures of a moon with a regular camera, it can be very hard to get the exposure correct. Obviously, moon is very bright. Everything else is kind of dark. So what usually will happen is your camera gets a little bit confused. It will either overexpose the moon, so it just looks like a big bright ball and you can't really see anything discerning in it, or it's too dark because it's trying to focus on something in the foreground. So P900 kind of has a setting in there, does a good job. And what's really kind of cool about it is the zoom of the camera will be able to you'll be able to fill your whole frame with the view of the moon. You can see the craters, you can see everything. It's pretty cool. So let's jump in. I will show you how to set the scene settings for the P900 to take photographs of the moon. All right, now in order to get your P900 set up to take pictures of the moon, first step you want to actually take is you'll turn on the camera with the button on the top, and on the very top of the dial here, there is a button that rotates, and you want to rotate it to where it says the scene. Now, when you have that on the scene mode, it's going to pop up and you want to hit the menu button, and that's going to be able to pop up and let you choose a different scene. So there is some different ones built in. We're going to go and use the rotation button here around the menu button. So there's different ones for bird watching. So basically what this does is this sets up your camera with some pre-done settings to be optimized for certain scenarios. Now in this case, with this video, we want to take pictures of the moon. So you just want to scroll down, and then when you get to the moon, you hit OK. And now you are set up for taking pictures of the moon. Now there is a couple of options here, and on the right hand side you can see there is a few different kind of colors and shades. So what this will actually do, by default it's white, but this will actually adjust the tone a little bit and use this wheel up here to select, and you can see it kind of changing the color. So this will give the moon photo some neat tints. The blue one is quite nice. Looks really good in the winter time when you have a nice blue kind of cool moon. I've got, again, like I said, pictures on my Instagram, and you can trust there. So it's just a matter of adjusting the tone that you wish to have, and then when you're ready to go and take pictures of the moon, you would zoom in normally on your camera, like so, all the way up to the moon. And what it is it's set up is you're going to want to make sure that your camera is on a tripod. And as you can see here, it also is set up, it says 2 right there. So when you actually press the shutter down, it will take 2 seconds prior to actually taking the photo. And what that will do is when your camera's on a tripod, it will stop the camera from any kind of shake. Now, because when you are zoomed in on the moon, any slight movement definitely makes the moon move around. You'll notice it when it is on a tripod. So hopefully you found that useful in finding and getting the scenes activated on your P900. All right, hopefully you found that video useful. Hopefully it's a lot better than my last one. I will link it below of that video so people can find this one so you can get a better view of everything else. I'm glad you found it useful. If you did like it, give me a thumbs up. Lets me know you liked the video. If you'd like to see more videos on the P900, let me know as well. It's a camera I haven't used for quite a while because I have the new Fujifilm, and prior to that, I was using my Sony cameras. But maybe I'll get back into this, take a few pictures. If it's clear this coming Halloween, I'll maybe get outside and try and take a picture of the full moon from somewhere local and post it to my Instagram as well. So thanks for joining me. Until the next time, if you're not subscribed, please consider subscribing to the channel, sharing photo tips, photo assignments, lots of fun things on the channel. So it'd be great to have you follow along. Until my next video, you can check out this one.